Hello, I'm Doug Dillon, Supervisor of Security for the Garfield Heights City School District. The Garfield Heights City Schools will formally install metal detectors at the high school beginning the week of May 9th in an effort to improve and enhance the overall safety and security of the building for students and staff. Metal detectors have long been used as an effective and additional layer of deterring contraband from entering a school. Our priority continues to be the safety of our students and our staff. Installation of the metal detectors is another resource the district will deploy, combined with our school resource officer, additional cameras, and more, as a way to keep Garfield Heights High School a safe and secure learning environment. The high school will serve as a pilot program in which district officials will closely monitor and assess the necessity at other buildings throughout the school district. Students and staff at the high school will see metal detectors installed at the main doors, and students will enter with guidance and assistance from staff members. All belongings have the potential to be searched by the security team. Undoubtedly, several incidents over the last year or so have helped to prompt a need and approval for metal detectors. If there are questions specifically regarding the high school metal detector procedure, please reach out to the high school administration. All updates will be posted to the Garfield Heights City School District website. Thank you for cooperation and continued support of the Garfield Heights City Schools.